Hey guys, welcome back to a new one. Today we are discussing how you can copy the text from any image. So first of all, I am opening Google Chrome. Then here I will search hard an article about about education. All right. Just after that, I will click on show more. Then I take a screenshot. Now I will discuss about now we are discussing how you can copy the text from the screenshot, text from the picture, text from the image like this one. Now we have a picture. Now how we can copy the text from the picture. This is very important. So if you want to copy text or extract text from the image, so first of all you need to open your Google Play Store, then click here and search copy text on screen. When you tap this okay, then click this application copy text on screen. Just download this one. I request all of you, before learning how to copy text from the image, do subscribe and hit the bell icon. After you install this application, just open it, copy text copier from the Google Play Store, then click here the image gallery option, then select your picture. Alright, then click on the crop, just a little crop it like this one. Okay, then just click on right check button, then click again right check button. Once you done these things, these steps, then you will see here all the text from the image has been extracted here. Now you can copy the text and paste it anywhere where you want to use. I hope so this video helped you. So don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. I will see you in the next one. Goodbye, best of luck.